All right, good morning, parents and students. Today in class, we are talking about division with repeated subtraction. And so I wanted to cover a couple of things to help you guys learn this a little bit better and in case they needed a little review at home. So division with repeated subtraction today, instead of using objects, we're just going to be using numbers. So let's use the example of 81 divided by 4. If, let's say, you look at 81 and we have the number 4. We could subtract 4 a lot of times and we would eventually find our answer. That would take a while. So instead, what we're going to teach today is using factors. We are going to do this a little more quickly. And as we remember, and I'll write this on the board, a factor is a number you multiply with others to get a desired number. For example, 2 times 3 equals 6. In this equation, 2 is a factor and 3 is a factor. So, using this knowledge, we are going to use factors of 4 to better come up with a solution. Today in class, we'll ask them, what are some factors of 4? One that stands out to me is the number 20, because 5 times 4 equals 20. If, however, maybe they thought 4 times 4 equals 16, they could use that. Or even 3 times 4 equals 12. They could use any of these, and it's still going to be faster than just subtracting 4 at a time. This is the goal to get to, is that largest factor, so it's the quickest for the students. If we subtract 20 from 81, we're going to come up with 61. Using repeated subtraction again, we're going to subtract 20 once again. Now we're down to 41. We'll subtract 20 again, and we will get down to 21. We will subtract 20 one more time, and we will be left with 1. We will now count how many 20s there were. There were 1, 2, 3, and 4. Matches that, we are good to go. So this would be 20 with a remainder of 1. If the students don't know about remainders yet, it's okay. We haven't covered them much. This will be their very first formal instruction in 4th grade, and we will cover a lot more about remainders in the future. This is a concept we will continue to use, and tomorrow we will be getting into solving 3 and 1 digit division problems. So you may see this and talk about this with your students. If there are questions, please, as always, send me an email, and I'm absolutely happy to talk to you. Thank you and have a great night.